Welcome to our guide on how to exit a WhatsApp community. As WhatsApp continues to evolve, so do its features. And today we're going to walk you through the updated process of leaving a community. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital space or simply move on from a group that no longer serves you, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in with the step-by-step process. First, open your WhatsApp application. You'll notice the familiar green icon, and once you tap it, you'll be greeted by your chat list. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a new tab labeled Communities. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in the Communities tab, you'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the one you want to leave and give it a tap. This will open up the community's main page, showing you all the groups and announcements within it. Now, here's where things get interesting. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll spot 3 little dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap on them, and from the drop-down menu, select Community Info. This will take you to a page with all the details about the community. Scroll down this page, past the description, past the list of groups, and keep going until you reach the bottom. There, waiting for you like an exit sign, you'll see the option to exit community. Tap on this, and WhatsApp will ask if you're sure about your decision. If you're ready to make your grand exit, simply tap Exit one last time, and just like that, you're out. Remember, leaving a community means you'll also be removed from all the groups within it, so make sure you're ready for a clean break. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the updated process of exiting a WhatsApp community. It's quick, it's easy, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.